Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sierra Vista Southeast local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers high-quality, value-oriented moving services in Sierra Vista Southeast, Arizona. Our amazing crews assist residential, commercial, and specialty customers with local and long-distance moves. Arizona does not regulate moving companies, so it's up to you to ensure that you pick a mover with valid credentials. You may want to get referrals from your realtor or rental agent. It's worth checking the Better Business Bureau website for reviews from other consumers and ask the mover for recent customer references. Ask for a copy of their business license and proof of insurance coverage, particularly liability and workers' compensation. Keep in mind that while the mover is not required to complete a visual survey of the job before submitting an estimate, a good mover will be glad to do so in most cases. Forecasting move costs is easier if you gather estimates from several reputable moving companies. Since each move is unique, you will need to ask for a specific quote to understand your price. It's wise to compare prices from different movers but ensure that the estimates offer the same level of service and type of bid, so the comparison is fair. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.